Caleb Plant is 20-0 with 12 knockouts, and he's taking to the national TV stage to defend his title. Caleb Plant has been working out in Las Vegas to get ready for his latest fight against veteran Caleb Truax Saturday in Los Angeles. Plant says COVID issues haven't derailed any of his prep work.
Been fortunate enough to not have any restrictions on camp as far as, getting to the boxing gym or strength and conditioning or getting to a track. So I know that there's been some fighters in some different states or different areas that, have had issues with that. So I'm thankful that, we've been free and clear on that end. It's been a great camp, had great sparring, and weight is good. I'm feeling fully prepared to, handle business in fashion.
In the final days leading up to the fight, Plant will have to be in a bubble because of COVID-19 protocols. He says that won't hamper any of his last-minute preparation because he's already at weight and ready to go, and fans should be ready to see a show.
They can expect fireworks. I know that people love knockouts, and this is a fight. I don't plan on it going 12 rounds, so whether he throws in the white towel or I throw it in for him or the ref steps in and does his job, I see this fight ending in a knockout.
This fight will be unusual because no fans will be in attendance, but Plant isn't worried about not having the buzz of the crowd.
There won't be too much noise. Come fight night, I'll just have to make my own noise.
Plant is a heavy favorite to win, and if he does, it will set up a fight that he's been waiting for, a unification bout against Canelo Alvarez that could happen sometime later this year. Kevin Bollinger, Fox 5 News Local, Las Vegas.